Hi guys and welcome to Girl Talk World. It's Carly and today I'm going to be showing you two awesome Christmassy nail art ideas. First up, we're going to make this super cute snowflake design. Just look at that. Love it! First things first, you're going to paint your nails with a lovely base colour. I'm using a really nice corally pink, and then I'm going to leave this to dry, and then you can always add a second coat of colour if you need, but yeah, see how you go. So next, now that's dried, I'm using a white nail pen to draw a mix of large and small snowflakes. If you don't have a nail pen, you can always use a nail art tool or even, a little cocktail stick. Just dip one end in white polish and use that to draw on your design. So you can really experiment here. Your nails don't need to match completely. They can be a little bit higgledy-piggledy. If something's not the same as the other one, it doesn't matter because it's still going to look awesome. So you can even draw the ends of snowflakes at the edges of the nail, which I think just looks really cool and is a nice finishing touch. So yeah, voila, you're done this one, all done. If you want to seal your design, you can actually finish it with a clear top coat or even then add some glitter polish to make it extra festive. Next up, onto design number 2. So I'm going to show you just how to make these awesome fairy light nails. So it's so simple, but so great. You're gonna love it, I love it. So let's go. First up, so you want to paint your nails and then leave to dry. Again, I've gone for the pink because I'm a creature of habit, and who doesn't love a bit of pink? I certainly do. So then you're going to want to use a nail art tool or a cocktail stick again, but this time dip it in some black nail polish and draw a wiggly line on each nail, just like that. Again, these don't need to match each other perfectly at all, so don't be afraid to go a little bit wild, a little bit crazy. I've added a loop in the middle nail to mix things up a little bit, just change things up. I think it looks good, don't you? So then all you need to do is add some multi-coloured gems on both sides of each line to create your twinkly Christmas lights. These look so cool. So you can either get these online or in lots of, pound shops or anything like that. They should have them. But yeah, make them all sparkly and cool. Loving it. And now you're done. Look number 2 is finished. Voila, easy as that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing these designs for you. Please let us know how you get on and if you try these out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, and of course, Merry Christmas. See you later. Bye.